you at the launch of Tanaatan. क्या wishes देना चाहेंगे? नया branch, नया.
I would like to wish Mr. Amit Paul all the best and looking forward to go try some of the cuisines of him. Yes, thank you.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपका सॉन्ग तो सुपर हिट हो चुका है एंड वी सीइंग यू ऑल अराउंड नाउ. आज आप टनाटन की लॉन्च पे आए, शिवाजी पार्क, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
टनाटन देखने की बड़ी इच्छा थी. जू में जब भी जाते थे वहाँ बहुत हम माहौल देख के खुशी होती थी. तो अभी ये दादर में ओपन हुआ है. पहले तो मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा और कोइंसिडेंस है कि ये आज ओपन हो रहा है और हमारी फिल्म परसों रिलीज़ हो रही है. जबरिया जोड़ी तो खड़के गलासी गाने को खूब प्यार मिल रहा है. 12 साल पहले हमने इस गाने को बनाया था, कंपोज़ किया था, मैंने गाया था और अब दोबारा से मैंने गाया है. और इस गाने को तनिष्क बागची ने बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक दे के इस गाने को 4 चांद लगा दिए हैं. आज पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हर चार्ट में ये गाना बज रहा है. बहुत अच्छे मिलियंस मिल रहे हैं आप सबकी दुआओं से. थैंक यू सो मच. और टनाटन को मैं मुबारकबाद दे ही चुका हूँ और कहेंगे तो गा के दे दूँगा.
वेरी लवली इज लुकिंग.
अभी दादर में खुल रहा है.
आपको समझ पड़ेगा जो जू वाला टनाटन है वो इतना फुल चलता है कि ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाते हैं और हम लोग को रोड क्रॉस करना बहुत हार्ड पड़ता है कई बार. तो बहुत खुशी है कि यहाँ भी आ गया दादर में. क्या पता जू का रश भी थोड़ा दादर में आएगा तो हम लोग की ट्रैफिक चलने लगेगी. लेकिन वंडरफुल प्लेस एंड जब आपको पता है बहुत टेस्टी खाना खाना है और एक ऐसी जगह जाना है जब कोई टेंशन नहीं आए तो रामी वॉज द प्लेस फॉर अस एंड वी लव इट. एंड टनाटन जिस तरीके से उसकी एम्बियंस है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. बाहर खड़े हैं लेकिन पसीने का कोई चांस नहीं है. तो अंदर क्या हाल होगा पता नहीं. वेल डन अमित.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.
Thank you for coming, Mr. Vindu Daras.
नहीं तो हमें बता अब और कितने खोलने वाला है.
We are coming up like right now it's like my 5th outlet what I've opened in Mumbai and we are coming entire the globe. We already have one in Dubai and Bahrain. This year we are planning one for London also. So
plan one for Delhi also.
Sure.
ठीक है चलो. Love you. Let's enjoy.
आप बोल रहे हैं सर.
At the launch of Tanaatan. Sir, यहाँ क्या wishes देना चाहेंगे आज?
Arey, Amit and me go a long way back. I have known Amit for a long time, and my best wishes with Amit. And he's one person who believes in class and quality. So I think that's a great combination. I can't wait to dig into the menu and all the stuff that's at offer here. So great going, bro.
Thank you very much, Amish.
Best wishes always with you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir.
Thank you.
लेफ्ट साइड यहाँ पे लुक सेंटर राइट या ओके सर. थैंक यू. लेफ्ट साइड लुक सेंटर. लुक सेंटर. लेफ्ट साइड लेफ्ट और सेंटर. सेंटर यहाँ पे खड़ा करना है. इसके बाद यहाँ पे खड़ा करना है. जब जाएंगे तब विजुअल
Shivaji Park Dadar. Amit, starting with you, please tell us the whole concept and I'll come back to food and continuation to Shweta Nidaya.
Tanatan, when I opened my first outlet, it was like, we were like little nervous. It's the first outlet in India, in Mumbai, like, how it's going to do and all that. But it's given a great platform. So we introduced our place to globe. Like we are having one restaurant in Dubai, one in Bahrain, one in Kolhapur, and this is the 5th outlet of ours. I would like to introduce both these girls. Like, they are the girls like who are behind with this entire food menu. Please give the brief.
Shweta, I mean, of course, food is to die for, and Tanatan is known for its mouth-watering kebabs to special dishes. So tell us what's been in putting up this whole menu. How did you curate it? What went into making it?
So basically, Tanatan means must, and nothing can be more must than Indian food. Seriously. So that was the idea behind this. We wanted to bring in authentic Indian food, present it in a nice style, but keep the flavors as authentic as possible.
Shai, yes, knowing from you, when you hail from Lucknow, so kebabs have to be right here when it comes to trying out something different. So please tell us your concept, your ideation when you were planning
So when Tanatan came to us, it was like, okay, we have to do North Indian and authentic North Indian, but we have to serve it in a way that Bombay people find it fun as well.
And South Indian.
But
She's from the north, I'm from the south.
The kebabs I'm talking about at the moment. So getting the Galawats right and getting the Sikhs right was really important for us. And coming from Lucknow, I think that was like one of the most difficult but fun things to do here in Bombay, because the mutton flavor, the water, everything changes, right? But I think we've got it spot on, and between the North Indian and the South Indian, we've covered whole of India.
We have made Amit a very happy person.
And we are traveling the world with Tanatan.
Yes, we are going global, I believe.
Yes.
So is it the same cuisine all over?
Everywhere is the same cuisine.
It's the same cuisine.
But for Shivaji Park, we did it like a little extra because that is going to be a new cut of the menu,
So
which has been going to be launched in Juhu soon.
So what do we have special here, which is not there in Juhu, which people can try out?
So we've given more, so wherever we open, we try to imbibe that essence. Like in Kolhapur, we've added a bit of Kolhapuri. So when we came here, we realized that people love their meat. So we've added more of meat dishes. We have gone into depth of flavor, got more Indianized, gone into the curries really, and we've done our research more. So I hope you all enjoy the new dishes. We've added a lot of new dishes, and God willing, all these dishes will be added in Juhu and in other outlets. And he is a taskmaster, Amit. He's very particular.
We went through some 250 trials.
Yes, literally.
It was literally like that.
And I hope you all enjoy what
Yes.
we bring to you.
So which is your recommendation to people out there who must come and try? What would you?
I would say have the Ran Biryani.
It's called the Shahenshai Rane Khas.
And that is a must. Pre-order it. आराम से बैठो, खाओ पियो और मजा लो.
All the negative comments what we get on the food, instantly we react and we do the things right. And so that is maintained what we'll see out here also in this outlet.
So what is the message that you would like to give on to both of you? They need from you that for food lovers, what are we offering special at Tanatan?
So it's all Tanatan. Let me compile in one word. It's all Tanatan. You have to see to believe it.
It's what sir said. It's absolutely right. It's all Tanatan right. But we have a lot of new items to try.
While I'll give you a recipe for that dish, that'll be too long and lengthy. So for believing it, you have to come and see and feel it.
And
So
when it,
seriously, you didn't got the location, ma'am. It's very much in giving location to everyone.
I'm honestly speaking, I'm so happy that Tanatan is now also at Dadar Shivaji Park, especially because I have a couple of friends over here, and when I come here every Tuesday to Siddhi Vinayak, and I spend time with my friends. So I think this is going to be a really nice place for us to chill out, especially because of the live music that they have. I wish them all the best, and I'm genuinely happy. All the best, all the best.
Tanatan launch, matlab, this is all about good food, live music, Tanatan live, एंड जुहू में तो है ही, यहाँ पे टाउन में भी आ गया है. सो विल गेट अनदर चांस टू कम टू टाउन टू हैव गुड फूड, गुड म्यूजिक एंड गुड लाइफ. Congratulations and all the best to Tanatan.
Started till now he's reached a different level altogether. I'm really happy for him from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, bro. Thanks.
Mashallah, he's done really well for himself.
You're always a well wisher for me all the time.
जहाँ भी अमित जाता है वहाँ पे जो मेन चीज़ होती है, जो खाने में जो बढ़िया चीज़ होती है ना, वो ही आगे बढ़ पाता है. और इस इंसान ने उस चीज़ का हमेशा से खास ख्याल रखा है. And that's why he's always a winner.
Thank you, bro. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best, man.
And
cuisine there, and of course the Tanatan and Juhu, and now in Shivaji Park. I think this is fabulous and the location is superb. So I wish the entire team of Tanatan all the very best.
thank you, Shivani.
Thank you, most welcome.